Welcome to Royal Institute Smart Academy. In this video, we will introduce you to our state-of-the-art learning management system. This platform is designed to elevate your educational experience and provide you with the tools you need to succeed. You can access the LMS by visiting lms.risa.lk or lms.rismartacademy.com. Let's take a closer look at how our LMS can support your learning journey. You can use the guest login facility of our RISA learning management system to browse through the sample content we have enabled for you to observe before you make your final decision. You can access the LMS by visiting the URLs provided. After accessing the login page, you can log in as a guest and see what courses are available. If you want to purchase courses through our platform, there is an option called Purchase Courses. By clicking this button, you can access our knowledge store and make the payments. New users can log in and register from here. After registration and purchasing courses, you can log into the LMS. Once logged into the system, you will see the dashboard. You can see your purchased courses by clicking My Courses. If you want to purchase more courses, you can access our knowledge store by clicking Purchase Courses. Here is the notification option. If you have to submit assignments, quizzes, or any other activities, they will show up as notifications. This is the calendar. When you have upcoming meetings, assignment dues, or any other activities, you can see them here and access the relevant activity through the calendar. Additionally, you can import and export to your mobile phone or Google Calendar by clicking this option, so you don't need to log into the LMS again to check the calendar. Our RISA learning management system supports a wide range of content types from documents to videos. Our academic sessions consist with both recorded sessions and live sessions. With this revolutionary approach, students can utilize their free time effectively and come prepared for the live sessions where both teachers and students find it very interesting, engaging, and effective when it comes to the live sessions. We, at RISA, believes that this will enhance quality of our academic delivery compared to the conventional live sessions or recorded-based learning delivery. Our RISA platform has been designed with a vast range of assessment capabilities from simple quizzes, assignments, and even up to conducting fully invigilated examinations whenever required. Our RISA LMS is focusing on the interaction between the student and the teacher, even going beyond to a level where a conventional physical classroom cannot go. One such aspect is live quizzes, where the same facilitates not just interaction between teacher and student, but also a method to track the student progress, having the visibility on how the student grasps complex concepts which are being taught in the classroom. Similar to the discussion-rich physical classrooms, students can interact with each other using the LMS feature discussion forums. Gamification feature in RISA platform encourages the students to perform better in assignment or any other activity and earn a badge while earning the recognition. In addition to the features we have just demonstrated, RISA platform complies with a number of industry standards and compliance, quarantining a world-class e-learning platform to our students. Thank you for considering Royal Institute Smart Academy. We are dedicated to offering an exceptional educational experience and look forward to supporting you on your academic journey. Your success is our priority.